Today's learning goal is, I know numbers that are groups of 10, and I can show them using 10 bundles. Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about our 10 bundles, or when we have 10 of something grouped together. So if you remember from last week, we had one popsicle stick, and then we made a group of 10. You might have used something else, blocks, straws, paper strips, but my example for the week is popsicle sticks. Today, the single one, we don't need it. You can get rid of it. We're just going to talk about bundles of 10s and numbers that are made when we have lots of bundles of 10s. So you're going to need your bundles. You're going to need your 10s and 1s chart we made last week. Hopefully you held on to it. And the other thing you're going to need today is a blank 100 square. Now I put a link so that you can print it out if you have a printer. But if you're like me and you don't have a printer in your house, it's not too difficult to make one. And it's one of the few times I'm going to say it's totally okay to have a sibling or an adult to help you, because this is a bit tricky. And if there are any adult or siblings watching it would like some tips, I just used a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter grid and then just did a line every 2 centimeters. It didn't take me too long. But we are going to use this all week, so I hope that you can make it. Now let's see what we're going to do. Pause now if you don't have these things yet. Go find some 10 bundles, your 10s and 1s chart, something to write with, and a blank 100s chart, and you might need help from an adult or sibling for the 100s chart. Are you ready? Do you have your 10s bundles and your 10s and 1s chart? Your first job, show me what you think 10 looks like. So 10 looks like one bundle of 10 on the 10 side. We don't put it here because it's not ones, it's a bundle of 10. And then when we write 10, we have a 1 for one bundle of 10. And are there any 1s? Are there any single popsicle sticks? No, it's 0. That's what 10 looks like. I want you to make 10 right now, just with the sticks. You don't need to write it on your chart. Okay, ready? Now show me what 20 would look like. Do you know what 20 would look like? 20 would look like 2 10s. And we're gonna double check. And you don't need to do this because I don't want you to make a big mess with all your sticks or whatever you're using, but I'm gonna take them apart and we're gonna check how many are in there just to make sure it really is 20. Let's double check just to make sure that we do have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we do have 20. 20, if they were like this, like 21s, it's a bit messy. That's why we use 10s for a lot of things. And now I have 20. Show me 20 on your board before I go on to the next one. Can you show me how many bundles it will take to make 30? How many 10s bundles do we need for 30? We don't need any 1s. We're not using our single popsicle sticks today. Did you show me? 1, 2, 3. 3 10s bundles is 30. Do you know what the next one I'm going to ask you for is? Could you show me 40? So I'm going to have 4 10s bundles. 40. What about, oh, let's trick you. Show me what 10 looks like again. Show me one. Okay. Could you show me last one? Show me what 50 would look like. So 50 looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s bundles. And that's nice and neat. And that's how we do this. But can you imagine if I took them all out? It's why we keep our bundles in 10. So there's 50 right here. Yikes. Would you want to count all of those sticks? No, it's much easier if we just know there's 5 groups of 10 and we know that's 50. Phew, I put them back. That's a much easier way to see 50. Today's work, you're gonna need your 100 square. And just in case you didn't do this, I'm gonna do this right now. The top up here is 1, it is not 0. And then down here, you can write the 100. Now today, we're going to just write what are called the 10s column. I'm going to show you where they go. So the 10 goes here. And then what's the next number? So we have 10. Now we're going to do 20. So that's like 2 10s. Actually, I'll put them here, 2 10s. What's my next number gonna be? 30. So that's 3 10s, 0 1s. 40 is next. 50. I don't have bundles, but I'm gonna keep going. I want to do all the 10s. 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So your writing work today is just to fill in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 on your blank chart like I did. And I'll write my name on mine so I remember it. This one is Ms. Egley's. Enjoy your work today.